Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? So guys, I have some mangoes because you know me love mango. And now guys, your girl Tuna gonna make some mango ice cream. Yes. So in order to get ice cream guys, we want to have a good base. Alright, so I'm gonna make some vanilla ice cream first. That's the base, and then you can mix whatever you want in it after. All right guys, to start off with this ice cream, I have some mangoes, and basically what you want to do, they are really ripe. You want to get the good ripe one. And I washed it already before, and you want to peel it, cutting up the mangoes in a bowl. We're gonna puree it. All right guys, now this little part I'm gonna leave because I'm gonna cut it in some squares and I'm gonna add it in after. All right guys, now I'm gonna puree the mangoes and I'm gonna add a little bit of water. You can use whipping cream or heavy cream. All right, I'm gonna measure out 1 cup because I'm not gonna make too much, so I need 1 cup of that. And then I'm gonna put ½ cup of milk. That's good. And now guys, you just want to whip this until it forms a peak. Alright guys, so just like this, you want to mix it until it forms a little peak. Alright, and I'm gonna pour it in gradually. I'm gonna mix in 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. I'm gonna finish mix this. Just like that guys. It tastes amazing. All right, now we're gonna fold our mango in. So this is the base for any ice cream you want. All right guys, you can add chocolate chip, Oreo cookies, whatever you want. And this is my mango puree. Now I'm just gonna fold it in. And now guys, these are the chunks of mangoes. I'm gonna fold it in as well, you know, so when you're serving the ice cream you have a little bit of bite. And this is my yellow food coloring. I'm gonna add a few drops, say about 6 to 8 drops. And then ooh, look at that. You just want to fold everything in guys. You want to get a container of any sort. All right, and that's it. We're just gonna scoop it on in. And that's it guys. You just want to spread it out a little. I like to cover it like this. Use the lid to cover it. And now guys, you want to put this in the freezer for about 6 to 8 hours. All right, and that's it. And now we're gonna scoop some ice cream in. All right, let me move this aside. All right, guys, can you see the goodness? Yes, that's my mango ice cream. I have a little pieces of dried mangoes and a cherry, and I'm just gonna set it on top or just sprinkle it all over. And then I'm just gonna set my cherry on top, something like that. And my peeps, this is the final result. This is my yummy, really tasty and refreshing mango ice cream. Yes, yes. All right, guys, please love upon me and I love upon you. There you have it, guys. Yes, this is me diving in, so we're gonna taste this. All right, look at that goodness, guys. Tastes so good. I don't think I'm gonna eat so much, but I'm gonna eat some. Can you see the goodness, guys? So rich, guys, all natural flavor. All right, guys, I'm gonna let you go and I'm gonna finish enjoy my ice cream. I'm gonna eat some and leave some for later. You have a good day, guys. Bye, guys.